Hey guys, it's Riley or Thrifted over on Instagram and Poshmark, and today I'm here with a quick Plato's Closet haul. So this is actually the haul that went to the last video I posted, which was a thrift with me at Plato's Closet. So if you didn't see that, go check that video out if you are interested. I actually didn't think I had filmed a haul of the thrift with me. And so normally I would have placed that at the end of the video because it's rather small, but I posted it and then realized I had this footage. So if you're interested to see what I picked up in the thrift with me from Plato's Closet, here is the video. Alrighty guys, I'm back from Plato's and it's a few days later. Huck's gonna join the video. Hopefully he doesn't bark. So I'm just gonna show you what I picked up from Plato's. Okay, first I got a few scrunchies for myself. I will show you what I got for myself, but not really talk about it. These, I think Plato's at least my location does wholesale things, so I'm pretty sure they wholesale buy these, and then these two came together on a separate, so I got those for myself. I also got these for myself, and I think I said this already, go to Plato's to shop, get some summer stuff for myself. So I found these Urban Outfitters BDG shorts, and I have a hard time finding jean shorts that fit me right. So these are a little tight, but better than not having shorts. Okay, I'll just quickly show you the other two. I got these shorts from H&M for myself. They look a lot cuter on. I paid $5 for them. The BDG shorts were $6. And the last pair of shorts I got for myself were these Zara shorts. And these were $10, I think. But, you know, I needed some new shorts for the summer. So, there is all the stuff I got for myself. I was actually hoping to find a pair of leggings for myself, which did not happen. But okay, now get into the stuff to resell. I found these, I showed you in the video, I found a pair of Sweaty Betty that were priced too high, but I found these Sweaty Betty. This is like my second time finding Sweaty Betty. These are just black leggings. I think they're cropped. I paid $6 for these, I believe. Yes, these were $6. And these came in on December 13th, 2020. So if you don't know how to read Plato's tags, I actually do have a highlight in my Instagram story if you're ever interested in that. But so they're just these Sweaty Betty. It's a UK brand, I believe, and I showed you in the video the clips already, but this is the logo. And I think these will go for about $30. Then I got this. There's some strings I need to cut off. Oh yeah, okay, well, this is a bummer. Oh yeah, this is really bad. So I had actually mentioned this in my voiceover of a thrift with me at Plato's Closet, but this dress was actually, it's a tiered dress, and the last tier was seam ripped. Someone made it shorter, and I didn't notice that in store, and so I actually believe I ended up taking it back to Plato's Closet because I just did not want to sell it. It was like too short to be a dress, and it was like a weird tunic length that probably wouldn't look good as a tunic. And there was also all these loose threads I couldn't do anything with. So took it back to Plato's. Maybe someone will find it and can do something they want with it. Okay, well, on the trim, the stitching for the trim has come undone all around the dress. So that's a problem. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I'll probably just cut off the excess threads and disclose it. So that's kind of a bummer. I didn't notice that. But, you know, it doesn't really affect the wear of the dress. So this is an English factory dress. I paid $6 for this. Here is the tag English Factory, which is a Revolve brand. And I think it can be sold at Nordstrom too. I hope this is like a tunic, but it's probably a dress. It's just so short. So it's off the shoulder plaid button front dress, kind of schoolgirl. It's really cute. I would hope to get over 30 or about 30, but with the flaw on the bottom, I'm not sure now. Okay, these I was on the fence about getting. I don't know how to say this brand name. Schutz, is that how you say it? They're sold at like Nordstrom and Revolve, I believe. And so I grabbed these for $10, which is on the higher end of what I'd like to pay. I don't particularly like this like clear style, But when I was checking comps for the shoe, I didn't even type in the brand name. I just typed in sold comp, or I didn't even type in the style name. I just typed in sold comps for the brand, and 2 pairs of these had sold for about $50. Different colors, but I mean black's classic, in the last 2 days. So I was like, you know what? Even if they sell for $30, I'll be okay with that. So I did grab these. This is definitely a brand to be on the lookout for, but I have some listed and that have not sold yet, so it is expensive, but maybe, I don't know. Obviously, always do your own comps. So grabbed these. Hopefully they'll sell for $40, $50. Potentially my best find of the day was this Reformation dress, and that clip was like, oh my gosh, that you saw me finding it. I was so shocked, I couldn't believe it, because my Platos puts stuff that they think will do well, move fast on their Instagram stories, and I've seen them put Reformation on there before, and I've never been fast enough to it. And this was only $10. It is a little more simple dress. I don't know this exact style, but I'm guessing it retailed for $98 if it's the style I'm thinking of. Anyway, this is the newer Reformation tag. If you don't know, their older tag is black, like mesh, and it says Reformation on it. Honestly, to me, I would pick it up if it was the older tag still, but some people might not. So here's this. Cute. And this was only there for a few days. I grabbed it like a day or two after it got there. It is a size large. It does not look like a size large. I include measurements in all my listings. So that was a score. Last 2 items. Okay, I grabbed these Millie shorts. They're cute. Summer's coming. I am not someone who really likes to sell shorts, but I might actually send these to another reseller to sell for me. Millie is a high-end brand. Honestly, this probably retailed easily over $100. I told my mom that and she was like, what the heck? Just because I don't like to sell, I don't know why I don't like to sell shorts. Historically, they've never done well for me, but I grabbed these because they were $5. And if I've said this before in many a Plato's video, but this, when it just says like WB or it says like WT or WD with no brand shorts, it means they don't know what the brand is. So that is often how you will get better brands. It's because they're not in their computer system. So got those. And the last item, this is the second time this has happened to me. I've probably already said that in the video, but I found Lululemon leggings. I found this style. It was actually in another Thrift With Me Platos Closet, I think, but because the pull tab is missing inside and this logo blends in pretty well to the pants, they miss it. So I got these Lululemon leggings for $6 instead of like $25 or $30, which is what they would have priced them at. Now these are like a size 0, because you can see this is where the pull tab was. At first I thought they might not be authentic because they didn't have the size dot, or size 2, they don't do 0. But size 2, there'll be no indents for the size. Size 4, there'll be like 1 indent and so on. So I don't know the style of these. If you know the style and want to leave it in the comments down below, that would be greatly appreciated. But yeah, I was excited to score $6 Lululemon leggings because I can't even get them for that at Goodwill. Goodwill one's like 20 bucks. Well guys, that is it for this Plato's Thrift With Me. If you like this type of video or want to see something different, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like reseller content, feel free to subscribe because I'll be back with another video soon. Bye!